How's it going, guys? Well, it's about 4 in the morning, Sunday, October 30th, I believe, yeah, 30th, and we just got like almost a foot of snow here in Massachusetts. Let me show you something. There's tree limbs like broken down everywhere. There's this one, another little one at the end of the driveway. They're all pine trees. You can see the pine tree. And then this one in front of me is just hanging down like I could literally just, it hit me. That was another tree that just came down. That tree right there, if I walk by, will hit me in the head. It's just insane. If you listen, you can still hear them creaking and cracking. There's another one that just fell behind me. I mean, it's just insane. Wanted to try to take my truck to work, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, so my pops might have to take me into Colorado, so I got my my Steelies with my hubcaps that came with the truck on, so I'm gonna put my other two on, but yeah, I just figured I'd show you some of the devastation that's out here. Alright guys, I'll keep you posted.